Take a seat in a comfortable position. Relax your shoulders while maintaining good upright posture. Let your hands rest in your lap or on your thighs. Close your eyes. Notice your feet. Relax your feet completely. Notice your legs. Relax your legs completely. Notice your hands. Relax your hands completely. Notice your arms. Relax your arms completely. Notice your shoulders. Relax your shoulders completely. Notice your neck. Relax your neck completely. Notice your jaw. Relax your jaw completely. Notice your forehead. Relax your forehead completely. Now place your attention on your solar plexus, which is the area of your upper abdomen, a few inches above your navel. Imagine your solar plexus is surrounded by a golden light. As you breathe in, imagine sending more golden light to your solar plexus. As you breathe out, imagine this golden light grows brighter. Do this a few times at your own pace. Breathe in and send more golden light to your solar plexus. Breathe out and let the golden light grow brighter. Your solar plexus is where your power, energy, and resilience live. This practice helps you connect with and recharge your personal power. You know what matters. You have the unique ability to stay focused, steady, and energized, even when the elements or seasons change. And people love you for this. When you know what you want, nothing will stop you. You have the unique ability to combine determination with patience to get exactly what you want. This gift will carry you far. Some might call it magic. Others might say it's a miracle, but this is simply who you are. Every moment is your rebirth. Every moment can be one of transformation. You can see past the stories that have been holding you back. You can reconnect with what you really want, and you can tell yourself a new story. There is a path for you, and you are on your way. At your own pace, take a few deep inhales and exhales here. On your next exhale, imagine sending the golden light of your solar plexus out into the world, where it connects with all that is meant for you. Gently start to bring awareness to your body. Move your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders a few times. Move your head slowly from side to side. And take a few stretches. If you haven't yet, you can open your eyes. As you go throughout your week, remember, you can call upon the strength of your solar plexus to keep you focused and energized anytime you need. Much love to you, my friend.